This was how my hair looked like before I started using these 3 ingredients for hair growth. I had a lot of hair breakage, hair loss, my front hair damaged. But these 3 ingredients regrow my hair, stop hair loss, make my hair to become thicker. Look at my hair now. It has grown and the breakage has stopped. It has become very thick. These ingredients works faster. The first ingredient you have to use is ginger. What you don't know is that ginger helps to grow hair. It helps to stop hair loss. Ginger is common. You can easily see it in the market. But many people who are having this problem of hair loss don't know that ginger works faster. It works, like it's very good. It's very effective for hair growth. All you need to do is get your ginger, buy it in the market, peel off the back of the ginger, grate it either using a grater or a blender. Once you are done, then the next thing you have to do is to strain it, to extract the ginger juice. Use a strainer or you can even use a cheesecloth. You can add little water to it for easy extraction of the ginger juice. Extract the ginger juice. Then the second ingredient is the onion. Onion is very popular and is very effective for hair growth. I use onion and I know that is very good. It's very effective. Onion contains sulfur, which helps to stimulate collagen production, and collagen in turn promotes hair growth and stop hair loss, stop hair breakage, and also helps to regulate damaged hair. You have to grate your onion the way you grated ginger. Then the next thing you have to do is to strain the onion using a strainer or a cheesecloth. It works. No need to add water to it because onion already have a lot of water in it. And the onion juice will work faster if you don't add water to it. Then the next thing you have to do is to pour your ginger juice inside the onion or onion inside the ginger. The next ingredient, the third ingredient, is your argan oil. Argan oil helps to moisturize hair. You can make use of coconut oil if you don't have argan oil. Both work faster to moisturize hair and regulate damaged hair. Mix very well. Once you're done mixing, the next thing you have to do is to apply this hair growth remedy on your hair from the scalp to the tip of the hair. It will grow your hair, stop hair loss, stop hair breakage, make your hair grow faster and thicker. Once you have applied, you can cover it with a shower cap or plastic bag, then wash it off after 2 hours. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and also subscribe to my channel.